Good morning from Elderberry Permaculture Farm. This wall of foliage behind me is elderberry bushes. And as you can see, right here, so they're blooming here. And these little green things here are the little berries. And we started this thing from cuttings last year. And let me give you a closer. So we started these from cuttings last year. And we got a few, we got enough elderberries off of this to make 4 or 5 pint jars of elderberry juice. Wasn't that hard to do. I will show you how to do that in a different video. But as you can see, they're already making these little berries. And I'm probably going to be fighting the birds for every one of these. Looks like some of these have blown off. We've had some afternoon thunderstorms blow through here lately, and the wind gets pretty wild. So yeah, and even down here, if you look down here, these like this one right here is new. I didn't do this. This is sprouting up. These are sprouting up on their own. And you see down here, we had cut this back last year. Which is what you're supposed to do at the end of every season, is you cut them down at the base, and you can save the cuttings to make new elderberry plants. And cutting them all the way down to the ground does not hurt them one bit. Well, I didn't cut this one down last year, and you see how big it is. So I've got to cut all these down at the end of the season and let them put up. They put up, like, this is all new growth right here. All this is new growth. This over here is older growth. So some of these didn't get cut, so it's older growth. So I have an elderberry hedgerow, basically. So like I said, you can make elderberry juice, syrup, which is good for a couple of things. Not medical advice, YouTube. These are super easy to make cuttings from. So it's a good way to make a little side hustle on your farm. If you have these growing wild anywhere, super easy to make cuttings from. They will almost root in your hand. So keep that in mind if you're looking to make your own elderberry plants, either for personal use or to sell as cuttings. So if you have any other ideas on what you can do with elderberries, the plant, the bush, or whatever part, drop them in the comment section below, and we will see you in the next video.